Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the invisible visible. Turn on Show /hide so you see spaces and breaks. Next, place the cursor between the two words you must keep together and press Ctrl plus Shift plus space to insert a non-breaking space. This prevents awkward line breaks. Once done, scan the document for dates, measurements, or names that should stick together. Make sure to use this only where layout matters, because overusing non-breaking spaces can create ragged right edges and stop normal wrapping. After securing critical word pairs, refine spacing at the paragraph and character level. Open paragraph settings to set line spacing, and before slash after spacing so blocks of text maintain consistent rhythm. Then, use Font Advanced to slightly expand or condense character spacing when necessary. This helps avoid excess white space. Once you apply these tweaks, update or create a style and reapply it across similar sections so changes are uniform and reversible. To finish, run print preview and low-level checks to ensure no critical words move to the next line. If you still spot unwanted breaks, use find/replace to swap regular spaces with non-breaking spaces in targeted phrases. Once done, lock in styles and save a copy. If the layout breaks after changes, troubleshoot by undoing recent spacing edits one step at a time. This isolates the cause. Remember, limited, deliberate use of non-breaking spaces solves most spacing problems without harming flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.